All right, guys. It's good to be back. A beautiful day, beautiful morning. Let's make it happen. Today is the 4th of August. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Today is 4th of June, and we're about to go live.
All right, guys.
We're already live, Shab. We're just about to start.
It's good to be back.
About to properly start the
Day,
stream.
beautiful morning.
So let's start with a little word of prayer.
Good to be back.
Father Lord,
Today,
thank you for
we're in
today.
a
We
hurry.
bless your
Today's 4th
name.
of June.
We give you praise for there's no one like you. Thank you for this beautiful
We're
morning you're giving unto us.
in a hurry.
Father Lord, as
Today's
we
4th of
commend the
June.
stream,
And
be with us, guide us, and everyone who turn on into the stream today, bless their day, bless their week, bless their life. If they have any heart desire they want, grant unto them in the mighty name of Jesus. In Jesus' most precious name, I pray. Amen. So, looking at today's charts, we can see that we have some couple of red folder news. We have AG news has already happened, like um, happened some minutes ago. So looking at today's chart, maybe the very happened some moment ago, but we can also see that we have some non-farm employment on USD. So again, this is NFP week, guys. This is NFP week. So on Friday it's gonna be NFP. I think that's going to be our very first New York stream this Friday. Our very first New York stream is gonna be this Friday. I'm gonna be trading NFP, so just stay tuned on the charts for our New York stream, very first stream. So looking at the charts, you can see that we have some couple of references. We have card, we also have USD by 3 p.m. So that being said, that's all. So let's move over to our charts and let's do a proper breakdown on gold because gold is dancing and I'm looking for opportunities around here. Oh, I think it might still play out, but it's not going to play out. I think I just have to wait for the 1 hour candle to close, or this 15 minutes has to do a proper pullback. But that being said, let's take up everything and let's. Today's opportunity is going to be very, very, very tight. Opportunity market is going to be very, very tight, but let's see if you can squeeze in any good trade. But if there's no trade, we're going to call it like that. We're just going to leave it. Understand? We aren't here to force any trades. You get me? So looking at the weekly, I broke down the weekly yesterday, but looking at the weekly bar, you can see that the weekly um, is still bullish, broken above, but the current day is still see which is zone. So we still have 2 days to decide if it's going to be strong bullish, it's going to create a new resistance for us, or we're going to close below the zone. So this is what we see on the weekly. And on the daily time frame, we can see that price did a bit of fake out, but we can't tell if this is a proper fake out yet till the actual end of the day. You get me? So we have about 14 hours for this candle to end. It says I don't know if this is the daily high or the daily low. This is daily low, daily high. We don't know what price telling us yet. Oh, this is what I can see in the market. Now, you understand? So if I go over to my 4 hour time frame, I can see that, like I said, price came back into the zone and it's trying to push back up. So what I can do right now, let's work with this. Let's work with this. This is what I'm working with right now. So let's work with this. You get me? So that what I'm interested in right now. I'm interested in this structure here. Let's work with that. So looking at this, the first thing I need to do is I'll go over to okay. Let's go. Let's take my support because this is the support level I see here. So this is where price is created. This is where price is creating also. So I go to my 1 hour time frame and see that that is actually a support level. So I can only do what I only do is adjust my support level. And this tendency of price pushing up from this support level since we are pushing London section, so we get like a bias doing London section. Looking at the 1 hour is kind of engulfing this candle, and if you also see that this previous place was a more place where price pushed up from, you can see this is where price pushed up from as well. This is where price pushed up from as well. This is where price pushed up from. This is where price pushed up from. So you can, there might be a possibility that I might get the same thing from this exact level, price doing some momentum, like price actually pushing up from that level. So we can't tell for a fact, but let's just see what price does. So let's get down to the 30 minutes and see what the 30 minutes doing. So in 30 minutes, price has already created like you see an engulfing candle. This current candle is already pushing upward. But the problem I had with this candle is the price left no top wick. But regardless, you can see pull out perfectly well. But that was just the only thing that um made me not to. Sorry, that's the only thing that made me not to bother about the trade. But looking at the way it is now, right? We still have a level here where price can likely retest. So that will be my next area where I'm looking to likely look for opportunities. So if two things can happen, either price get to this level and sell off from there, or price get to this level, break above and keep pushing to the upside. So this is levels I've put out right now. So what I want price to do is two things. Either price from here come back a bit to be test, then we look for buys or price break above. Okay. Let me do what I know to do. Okay, this is what I want price to do. Either price two things may likely occur here. Either price break above do a retest and push upward for bullish continuation. You get, but if you look at your left too, this is also an area where price has rejected off multiple times. So you can see you might be also see a fake out price breaking above, closing bullish above, the next candle closing bearish or leaving a strong weak rejection and closing bearish like this. Then um you can look to sell the price to the downside. So this is another thing you can likely see on gold. You get me? So for buys too, if I can get some bit of rejection from this area like this, price coming down a bit, then we get like a bullish closure like this. Then we can probably buy the price on the upside. So this range is about 70 pip range. So let's see from this exact point to where price is should be like around 50, 40. Okay, this is 40 pip range. So this is what I'm working on gold. And let's see. And for sales on gold, I just gave you one example on sales on gold. Well, if I should look for any opportunities, probably if I should break below the structure first, then you can look for opportunities. But for now, we wait. You see how um sorry guys. You can see how this area is jetting a lot. So we can there's nothing we can you can't chase it. We have to just wait. I don't like today's market structure. I'll be very honest with you. I don't really like today's market structure. It's not the best. It's not the best. I don't really like today's market structure, but it is what it is. We have to just make do with whatever I have right now. So I don't really like today's market structure, but I'll manage it. So that being said as well, let's go over to DJ. So you can see how your price is rejected. Let's just wait for the hourly candle. That's the best thing you can do. So if the hourly candle can see just close, maybe weak rejection, probably you can enter the 1 hour candle for a bullish continuation. But you have to actually wait for this hour to end. That's what we can do. So let's go over to GJ. So GJ moved bullish yesterday. What was I expecting yesterday? I can't remember what I marked up on GJ yesterday, but I know that I'm looking for opportunities above this level. Yes, I know I marked up this level for opportunities, for bullish opportunities for buys yesterday. And look at around. This was market structure yesterday, right? It was market structure yesterday, and I marked up something. Let me check it out. Let me quickly check what I was looking at on GG yesterday. Hold on. That being said, sharp. Let me see break this down. Why it's loading? So let's go back to the daily time frame first, or precisely the weekly, and let's walk our way through. That being said, sharp. Let me see break this down. Why it's loading? That being said, sharp. Let's walk our way through. So the weekly time frame has started pushing volume Probably it's going for the weak fill, but we won't know yet if this is going to be another rejection like the previous candle has been doing because there are a lot of weak rejection from the previous candle. So I can't really tell if this two is going to be the same thing. But it's a set pushing bullish, and let's see. So far, it has filled up some weak, but let's see if it's going to cover the entire range to the upside. And the range is about range is about 200 people. So let's see if we can cover it to the upside. So looking at the daily time frame, now you can see the daily close is strong bull, but it has also approached this level we have here. And after that, we also have this level here. So this is where the daily has currently retested. We just retested it a bit. So that I can see currently on the chart. I think what I can see currently on the chart. So the next thing I need to do is go down to my 4 hour time frame and let's work something out from this. So on the 4 hours time frame, we have a level of support above here. Resistance, sorry, we have a level of resistance above here, which price rejected off from this is 4 hours and it hasn't broken above, but you can see it's slightly broke below the structure. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see we have also a support level below that structure. So we have a support. So let's mark up this as our support level, and it's actually a strong support. You can see this price has pulled strongly in the past. But now the price is trading above the range, we might likely see a bullish momentum to the upside. So, like I said, the London section coupon is in 5 minutes. So, actually, let's see if we're going to get a bias for this price. And mind you, today is this is London. This is um this is um the- okay guys, looking at the trade, this is NFP week, and this is NFP week. So mind you, the trades and the pairs might be moving crazy. So you need to be careful with the way we trade this week. You need to be extremely careful with the way you trade. So looking at the structure, you can see that price is rejecting all this level here because you can see that there's a multiple retest of this level. This exact level I drew. So if I was to place, okay, this level doesn't count. This exact level, this because this is the start of the countdown. So this is more like a fake out. So this is where I would actually draw my support level. So this particular level doesn't count at all. So because on the 1 hour, I think you won't see that on the 1 hour. Yeah. So this is my level. If I even get if it's minute close below this structure, yeah, I might look for a sell too. But what I'm going to do now is if I'm looking for buys, I need price to break above this level. So this is the level I want for price to look for buys. But for sales too is below the structure. So that's exactly what I'm seeing right now on GJ. But I think GJ is going to play out for buys. So let's wait. If GJ is playing out for buys, probably gold should give us like the selling opportunities. But we don't know yet. We just have to wait and wait for the price to totally unfold itself. Then we'll look for opportunities. So that's it on GJ. So what we do now is we want to wait. I think. Sorry, I'm just extremely tired this morning. We're going to wait and see how good unfold. Then we know how we're going to execute. Yeah, like expected, I expected good to reject that level. So it's also literally rejecting right now. So like I said, I don't really like the whole market structure. So this is looking like a support level. It's looking like a support level. And 2 more minutes. So this is looking like a support level. I said I don't really like looking like a support level. So this is looking like a support level. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes, guys. Let's see how the gold trades play out. 2 more minutes. So we have had an amazing I've had an amazing week so far trading. Like those week, like a month, like the past month, like May was extremely amazing. We happened to place about um give or take about 12 trades for the month of May. and we succeeded in closing in 7 wins, 2 losses, and 3 break-even trades. So what I mean by break-even is that the price moves in profit a bit before reversing and coming back to our entry point. So most of the time, when there's a certain level price we get to, and I'll move my stop loss to break even. And I already did that live on stream. Every chain was posted. If you want to check it out, you can just go back to each of our stream and watch each video one by one, and you can see the exact trade setup. You can see that it's almost the same thing I'm looking for every day when I come to chat. Even the losses I took on stream, I went back to it and I saw that first of all, the first loss was on GJ, and I don't really F with GJ that much, so that's why to that first loss. And the second loss, I actually went back and I saw that I didn't wait for all my criteria to play out. There was a particular stuff I was putting for the I needed price to do like this exact one now, something like this. This exact because looking at this whole structure, I initially wanted to place a buy of this trade. So that was almost the same thing happened on the loss we took on on gold, the single loss we have on gold because I didn't wait for all my criteria so um, all my box to be ticked before I actually went for long because that trade was also a long trade. I didn't wait for all my criteria to click before I go for longs on that trade, and that's how we happened to take a loss. So that was how we took a loss on gold. So that was it. Probably would have had like 100% win on gold, but due to that one single factor, and I think I was impatient that day. I was up my feelings and my emotions, and that's how I was able to take that out. So this is good as well. So and gold is not today's structure too is almost like that. It's not the best of the best. Price is doing whatever it likes. Like I said, we are currently at long and this is the first Friday. This is the first week of the month. So NFT and all that stuff. NFP, sorry, I said NFT. NFP week. So expect that. So okay, now looking at gold, let's do a quickly break. Let's do a quick breakdown on gold right now. So looking at gold, the way gold ended, gold has created a. If I go to 30 minutes as well, it looks like a yeah, rejection. So what's going to happen is that I'm not going to drop into this trade. I'm just going to wait for the 15 to close bullish above this level. So that's what I want to do. If I was to look for buys, if I was to look for buys, I need 15 minutes to close bullish above. So the way it is, I need some 15-minute bullish candle closing strong bullish like this. This one and the next one we test, then we can buy. But if you don't get that and price just drive to the upside, then when we get a break above the structure, we can look for opportunities to buy. So we have about looking at our time, we still have about 30 minutes or give or take, we have about 40 minutes to be on the stream and look for opportunities. So if we get an opportunities, we're going to jump it, and if we don't, that's going to be our day, and you're going to come into one. So I'm actually trying to pass a program with you guys, and all the trades I'm going to be entering through this program going to be on stream, and I've actually sent out one. The trade placed yesterday was actually one of the trades. So this trade took might also play out for a sell, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to place a trade. So it might look like this, like I said, this place has created a level of resistance. And if there is a lot of volume coming in the market, like if this is where price decides to place his, like if the London section fits his bias for his day and price wants to move to a certain direction, this could be the level price break below the structure, then you can look to sell. And once you break below, you can look for 30p. But that's not my entries. I prefer the buys. The buys are good. The 1 hour close bullish. The 4 hours is bullish as well. You can see it hasn't broken the low, probably go up for a big fill. So let me zoom in so you see it, you see what I'm talking about. So this is a weak rejection. Price hasn't broken below this low. We still have a bullish momentum. So the 4 hours too is very strong bullish. So we just have to wait and see how it plays. But regardless of whatever it does, if it doesn't meet all my criteria or what I want price to do, I'm not going to bother about the trade. I'm not going to place a trade. I'm just going to sit down, relax, and chill and observe the charts because that's all we can do. Observe the charts. So that's it. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. We're just waiting. The trade my levers, my push, my drive, or it is what it is. You just have to wait, guys. Just wait out. You probably get opportunities soon, but you just have to wait. If there's any play you want me to check, you can just leave a comment or tell me you want me to do this or do that. So I will check it out. You just have to wait, guys. Just wait out. You probably get opportunities soon, but you just have to wait. You just have to wait, guys. Just wait out. There's any play you want me to check, you can just leave a comment or tell me you want me to do this or do that. So if there's any play you want me to check, you can just leave a comment or tell me you want me to do this or do that. I will check it out. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're actually waiting for opportunities to present himself. So we look to place a trade. So that's what we're waiting for. Waiting for opportunities to present himself. If you don't get anything, then so be it. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. We're waiting. So be it. If you don't get anything, so be it. Oh god. Okay, you can see how. Oh wow, gold is actually moving to the upside. So it's moving. Like I said, the way I wanted it to do. So I gave it like two instances of what I want price will likely do for me to look to enter, and it's pushing upward. So I want price to do this now is, can we get a bullish closure? Okay, you can see how. Oh wow, gold is actually the way I wanted it to do. So I gave it like two instances of what I want price will likely do for me to. Like I said, the way I wanted it to do, and it's pushing. I gave it like two instances of what I want price will likely do now is look to enter, and it's pushing. Get a bullish closure. I want price to do this now is, can we get a bullish closure? Can we get a bullish closure? So we know where we go. Can we get a bullish closure? Can we get a bullish closure? So we know where we go. So 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes, and what I'll likely look to do is if I can get this trade closing bullish like this, then I can look for a retest, then I can buy the market, something like this. So let's see if price can do this for me to look for opportunities. It's only pushing. So if you miss the move, shall miss the move. So there's no forcing the trade. You guys. power break and retest structure. Retest buys above here, surplus below. This is the trade. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Let's see if we're gonna get anything nice. Then we look to jump in. Hmm. 70 people already. 90 people. So 5 more minutes for the count to end. Let's wait. Let's see. One second, guys. I'll be back. We haven't placed any trade today, so this trade is showing 1, so I needed to change back to 0. I just noticed that right now. There's 3 more minutes in. Let's see. So if you are not on the group chat, like my group chat, like my Telegram, I prefer you to go join. I will advise you to go and join, because there's a bit of delay on the video like YouTube. So I prefer to go and join it, so you'll be able to have a like quick execution when we place a trade, instead of, because they're like a 10 seconds delay. So I will drop the link now for that. So I'll drop the link on the chat, so yeah, check it out. This is be like 10 people already, 13. And it's crazy. I want to buy a bull or at the flip. This is a very risky decision. This is a very risky decision. And I'm left in making a very, very risky decision. And let the candle end, you know what we're gonna do. As long as price trades above this level. And looking at my left now, you can see that there's some rejections of this level. Like, it's clear. This is a crazy, crazy structure. You have few, you have like few seconds left. Seems like Prime wants to close back inside the zone. We might not get the entry we need. You might not get the trade we need. You might not get the trade we need. Okay, actually, it's above the 15 minutes. It's actually above the 15 minutes. Okay, we didn't get the entry we need, guys. Price came back and close below. Like actually below the 15 minutes. If you came and close below here. So this is a no for us. So now what we do, wait for the 30 minutes. Now wait for the 30 minutes. Now wait for the 30 minutes. It's a waiting game. Wait. Wait. So we have let's wait for that extra 15, which is a close of the 30 minutes. So if you get anything, then we look to enter. But if we don't, then that's it. That's it, guys. I think I'll use this time to play a game on my phone. Why we wait? You just have to wait, guys. Okay, guys, there's nothing going on gold. I've already broken down what I'm looking for, what I want the price to do, the research and everything, but there's nothing going on. So we have to wait. We have about 8 more minutes till the end of the candle. So let's see if price will do anything that would make us enter the trade. But aside that, like I said, there's nothing going on gold. You get me? There's nothing going on. But you might get a selling pressure, but I'm not looking for sales right now. I need to see a break above here. For sales, if I'm looking for anything that has to do with selling, um, it's not around this place. Even though I know that this is a place that price can likely sell from. You can see there's a lot of selling pressure here. You can see one, two, three, four. There's a lot of selling pressure around this place. You get me? But let's wait and see how. We also have about 8 more minutes. Let's wait and see how the price ends. We don't do anything. We just wait. We might likely just wait till like uh, I don't know if I'll be here till 9 o'clock. But let's wait and see how the price does. Then we know what we're gonna do. Them. Sorry guys, my stuff was not talking. So I was saying that another opportunities for us to go long in the chart, like what I'm seeing right now, is that if this current candle close bearish the way it is, since it has no momentum to go bullish, it closes the way it is, and the next candle um has like a bullish close above the zone like this. So this now is price placing a resistance level with the structure. So if you have like a bullish close above the zone, then we can look for a retest and then we can buy the price to the upside. So this will be our entry. So this is another setup I'm looking at. Like if price print out like this might be an opportunity for us to look for positions for price to go upward. So if we don't get that, we don't get that. If we get that, then these are opportunities. So this is what I see. This is what I want price to do. I'm just responding to what I'm seeing in the market in order for us to look for opportunities. So that's it. That's been said. So basically have like 4 more minutes to the end of this candle, but we're waiting for extra 15 minutes after the close of the candle just to wait to see how candle turns out. If the opportunity is fine, if it does, it's still fine. Two more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes, and there's nothing going on. There's nothing I'm saying. Oh wow! Oh wow! Okay, guys. Stay active. The price just flipped bullish. This particular can just flip bullish, so might actually get an opportunity pretty much soon. So we have 1 more minute to the end of this candle. So let's see if this candle will close strong bullish. Then we'll look for opportunities. I wasn't expecting this at all. I wasn't expecting this. And it's also the close of the 30 minutes. This makes it better as well. So it makes it better because the 30 minutes is closing above the structure. So this is good. This is good. Let's wait and see. 1 more minute, guys. So we might adjust our entries to around this level. So let's see. All we need is like, should I even wait for bottom week? Entries will be like around here. Stop loss should be below this coin 15 minutes for 35p. So this should be like the trade. But let's wait and see. I need the candle to close first because I need the candle to close first. Then I know what I'll do. But even though I'm not looking for bottom week, I see the price will come down a bit in order for me to be sure of my entries. You get, so I need price to come down a bit. So let's wait and see how it close. So we have about so let's see. Let's see. So let's wait and see. Wherever it is, my like I'm placing like the entry should be above here. 22, 24 seconds more. So let me see if I can send out this. I need to see a bit of pullback, just small pullback. It's not necessary because price has already done its retest by coming down already. But let's see if we get that. I'm trying to mark up my structures. So 30 minutes has ended, guys. I'm in. Can we get that retest? Just wait a second, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Just wait. I'm not in yet though. Just wait, please. Just wait. I'm only open my trading. I'm gonna open my meta. I'm looking for it. Okay, I need to adjust this entry on the group. Okay, guys. I'm in. I'm in the buys right now. I'm in good buys, and my surplus is 35 pip. This is my entries. This is the trade, guys. I'm in the trade right now. So my stop loss is just below this 15 minutes. So once price break above this level, we'll move, because that should be like, let's see. Okay, let's wait. Oh. So let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. So replace the trade. Okay, we're up 10 pip. Up 10 pip, guys. So this is why I move to move my sub to break even. Up 10 pip, guys. Here we go. Here we go. So this is risk free. We're going to risk free on the trade, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Another win. This is another win, guys. This is another win on the trade. 16 pip. Let's see if we can move to. We're risk free already, guys. This is very risk free. So let's see if we can get to this point, so we can look to close opportunity. So we're broken above the high. I don't expect it to come back down. I want price to like push to this side. Push to this side. So let's see. So I'm risk free on this trade. So let's see. Let's see if we can get that push to at least 37 pip. At least to 37 pip. So we're currently at 20 pip in profit. About 20 pip in profit. Let's go. I'm closing in. I'm closing in, guys. I'm closing in, guys. I'm closing in, guys. So I'm not going to hold this trade because yesterday already up yesterday profit. So I'm going to hold it. If it gives us a break even, fine. But if you pushed up and if you're okay with your profit, you can close at any point you want to close. But let's try to hold this trade so you can get to the exact point I want you to get to. I don't know if you understand. I want you to get to where I want you to get to so you can close position. Our surplus is around, we have about 55 pips surplus, 35. So at least their price gets to 35, even though it's 1 to 1. Close off, then that's okay. You get me? That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing, guys. It's pushing, guys. It's pushing. So we'll close 30 people in profit, guys. So let's see. Okay, now this is price has pushed up a bit again. So I'm closing some position here. Actually, I'm closing some position. I'm closing one lot. So I'm closing one lot. So I've secured some position. Oh, it came down. Damn. Came down after I was using at 300 when I was closing, but by the time I closed, its price came down a bit. Anyways, I have my runners there. Closed. So I closed some positions, and now just my runners running. So in the prop firm now, currently up. I'm up 2%. So I'm already up 2% on the prop firm currently right now. So I'm up 2% on the account. Get me? I'm up 2%. It's a $25,000 account, so I'm up 2%. So let's see. The two trades I placed, one yesterday, good buy yesterday, and good sell yesterday and good buy yesterday. Both in profits, both gave us trades. So yesterday trade was about 50 pip. Today trade is about 31 pip. I've already closed my major positions already. I've already closed 80%. I have just 0 point something running. So if it comes out against me, I break even. I'm also fine with it because I've secured the bag already. The bag is been secured, so nothing more. So this you can see. I didn't wait for this trade was also going to result as break even. You can see I didn't wait for the retest because of this candle has done the retest I wanted. That's the reason why I didn't wait for any retest. I just bought at the high because this candle has done the retest, and regardless of it, this is where I would likely put my stop loss. And since it's just 35 pip, so that's why I just executed the trade for price to push upward and we made money. So that's it. This was the setup, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay with whatever it plays out. Welcome Phil. So we just placed the trade. I've actually made profits of this gold trade already. But I've already moved myself to break even at all. Price is about to stop us at BE. So the profit has been secured. I've secured profit already. I'm trying to pass a profit. And this is basically like they saw me trading the profit, and I'm already up 2% on the account. So the trade just hit me at BE, but I've secured some position already on the trade. Like I've secured some profit already. So there was a trade yesterday, there was a trade today, and the account is currently at 2%. So that's it, guys. That's it. I waited for this trade patiently. I dropped my analysis, what I'm looking for price to do, what I wanted price to do, and price play out exactly the way I wanted to play out. So that was always good to have a idea of what you want price to do. So in case price doesn't do that, you know that doesn't go with your strategy or what you want price to do. So I waited for price to I was waiting price to break above this level, and price did. But initially I was waiting for a retest, but the reason why I didn't enter the retest because this previous 15 minutes has done the retest we needed. So there was no need of price coming back down to retest any structure anymore. So the buys was good, price pushing upwards and giving us profit was the best thing that could have happened to us this morning. So we are done. Our runners got hit as BE. So I'll update the group chat that our runners got hit as BE, and I made around this trade made me at a point I was seeing like close to $400. But the way I closed, when I was about to close, price came down a bit, and we closed at plus BE, we closed at 230, which I'm okay with it. There's no pressure, no pressure. Eventually we'll get our runners. There's always a runners. Our price will run about 200 people. So there's always runners. So one of these days, if not tomorrow, if not next tomorrow, we'll definitely get our runners and we'll make money off it. So feel welcome to the chat. If you're not in WhatsApp, if you're not in Telegram group, you can just there's no need to enter the trade again. There's no need to bother about the trade. There's still tomorrow. We place like you usually take like one trade a day, so there's no need to bother about the trade. Like that's gone because gold 2 is looking like it could probably. Well, I'm no longer in this trade. First of all, I'm no longer in this trade. Let me take this out so you know that I'm no longer in this trade. So first of all, gold has a lot of rejection of this level. If you look at my left, if I just take this line to this way, you can see that there's a lot of rejection of this level. So there's a possibility that price can tank from here. And if you take this video backward, like take it backward, I dropped like something I'm looking at that there's possibilities of price breaking out of this zone like this, having a bullish close like this, price closing above here, and the next candle, if you just take the video back, you see the next candle will push up bullish and close like this. like I said, there's a possibility of price doing this. So there's no need of um forcing any trade. There's tomorrow, there's next tomorrow. There's still opportunities in the market. There's always opportunities in the market. Like less is more in trading. You get me? So this is exactly what price is doing. With my analysis I dropped earlier. If you just take the video backward, you see it. You get me? You take it backward, you see it. So that's it. There's no point entering to trade. I'm not looking for any. I'm not even looking for any opportunities today. I have other things I need to do. So luckily for us, we had another win. So let me update the group. Let me update the chat. That's about our win. So we had like one win today, and so far so good. We have 2 wins on the chart this month of June. Yeah, so that's it. So you can just tune in tomorrow the same time, same thing tomorrow, same time, 7:30. Looking for opportunity. It might see play out. It might see play out. I'm not the one that move price. I only respond or react to what I see in the price in the market that period of time. So I've gotten my reaction and I've gotten my money of the reaction. So that's it. I scalp. So I scalp, but sometimes my scalping can give me 200 people, can give me 100 people. But that's it. That's it. Like that's it. So that's it, guys. We already over an hour on stream, and you can see this is exactly what I was talking about. You can see our price visualizing. So already over an hour on stream. So we did well today. Gold gave us money again today. So thank you to Gold, guys. Thank you to Gold. Gold is always blessing us with decent profit. So we're going to go same time tomorrow, 7:30. Really, you can just subscribe and catch us tomorrow. Turn on notifications so you don't miss straight. So you come on early and probably make some money. So that'll be all, guys. See you guys same time tomorrow. Stay blessed. Please do not overtrade. Like me now, I'm done. You can do. I've literally just posted my full trade for the week. You can see that it's just 2 trades I placed throughout this week. It's just the gold of yesterday and the gold to today. I'm trying to trading this right now on the group, on the Telegram group. You can see it. Do not overtrade. There's no point of overtrading. Just stick to 1 or 2 trades a day. If possible, if you don't get opportunity to save, it can be 1 or 2 trades a week. You get just stick to it. So I just updated the group of the trade I placed this week. So that's it, guys. Same time tomorrow.